Wait. So many things happen as we learn to wait. And sometimes, time itself takes a few moments to rest. We are waiting for dawn on sleepless nights and for the new day to help us look up at the light. We are waiting for gifts to be unwrapped and for the expression of joy on who will look back to say, "Thank you." We are waiting for connections and expect them to bring our worlds closer. We are waiting for the summer to grab colors once again and paint moments that will turn into memories. Now, we are trying to imagine the first new hug, the first new kiss, the first new moments. When will we remember the time we learned to wait?